So today I'm going to tell you how to make easy dog. First we will draw a circle and another circle and then a small circle inside both of them and then fill the other space. Draw small curves on the top of eyes and a triangle under eyes. Then two curves under nose and a U shape under these curves. Now we will make two big curves for the face and then we will draw ears. Now we will join the two curves from both sides. Now we will make the collar and a heart shape, then a big curve for the leg and a straight line. Then we will join these two with making three U shape. Then we will draw triangle shapes and the other leg with the same procedure. Then we are going to make back foot with the same procedure, making curve and a W shape like this. Now we will make the tail. Now we will start coloring. We will do skin color on full body. Then we will give some dark shades under tongue, eye and a U shape above the nose. Then we are going to fill his ear with dark brown and we will give few more dark shades with chocolate color in ears, then again with the dark brown. Give shades where we feel we should give a darker shade. Now we will fill the collar with red and heart with light pink. And we will color the tongue with light pink. And here we are done. Thank you.